everyone, welcome to today's video. So as you all know, Black Friday just passed and I did a little bit of shopping online because that's my favorite thing to do now. Shop online, and mostly for Black Friday. I am not going to be making lines outside of stores or getting trampled over by people trying to get things that I want to get, so I'd rather just be in the comfort of my home and then, you know, shop online. Guess is one of the brands that I love the most when it comes to their accessories and their handbags. I feel like they have great quality handbags, and if you've been following my channel for a while now, you know that I have a Guess collection of purses. So I decided to add to my collection of Guess items. I picked up a couple of things that I feel like are so cute, and they were reasonably priced. So my order is in this box. I literally received it a week ago, you guys, but I decided to wait for some of the items to actually, you know, make use of them, except for one. I did already wear one thing. Okay, let's go ahead and dig into this box so you guys can see what I picked up. Trust me, you're gonna love it. So I did get this cute little letter from Guess. It says here, just a note to say thank you for shopping with us. We truly appreciate each and every one of our customers. You are the reason we do what we do. Enjoy your purchase. You guys, I'm so excited to share with you what I picked up from Guess. I'm gonna start off with the first item that I literally wore already. Once the box got here, you guys, a week ago, I opened it just to make sure everything was in there, of course. And this one item I just had to wear instantly. And I was going out to a party that day and I was like, it goes with my outfit. Super cute and stylish. So I had to wear it. Let me just show you what it is. I took it out of its packaging, so it's in this little black plastic bag that says Guess. Opens up like this. So here is the item, you guys. I purchased this watch from Guess. I love it so much. If you look at the straps, at the leather straps here, they do have like this reflective sort of like snake print on it. It's so beautiful, you guys. If you could just feel the quality of this, it feels so nice. So as you can see here, it has little Swarovski little fake diamonds around it, and it just looks so pretty. It actually doesn't have like an actual number system on there, so it's basically just for looks, you guys. That's what I want it for, not really to check time, but look how beautiful the design is in there. And on the back of the strap, it does say Guess on there engraved. This is just such a pretty watch. I'm obsessed with it. I am so glad I picked it up. It's just so pretty. I really like it. So I do have quite a bit of a handbag collection already going on, and when I saw these on sale, I had to get them. They are a perfect addition to my collection of handbags, but these two, you guys, are so pretty. I got the handbag that goes with the wallet, so let's look at it. Okay, so right over here we have the actual handbag and the wallet that matches it. So let's take it out of the package. Look how pretty, you guys. Isn't this so cute? I loved the pattern, the color. It feels so nice and well made. Let's go ahead and take out all the actual accessory packaging, and then I'll get back to you guys. It is so beautiful. I am obsessed with it. As you can see, it has this beautiful pattern of the G, the Guess sign. Right over here, it has this beautiful accessory with Guess on it. Right here. It says Guess right there. And it just makes the bag stand out even more for the contrast, you know, nude straps, and then the brown and nude pattern on there. You turn it around and it looks like this. So it has this back compartment where you can put maybe your phone. Before we actually look in it, right here has the Guess tag, and the style of this, it doesn't actually say the name of the bag. Maybe over here. Okay, yeah. So I'm looking at my small receipt here. And the style of this, the name of the actual bag here, says that it is the Kamryn logo tote in the brown color. So one of the reasons why I liked this bag, besides the actual style and look of it, was the fact that it is very, very spacious. And here is the matching wallet. Literally looks exactly the same when it comes to the pattern and Guess logo right there. It just has this bigger symbol in the front. It's so, so pretty, and it's very, very spacious as well, which I loved. I love the fact that it has lots of little compartments in here, as you can see, so I can fit lots of things in here. Just so, so pretty. Goes with the actual handbag, and this is my first time getting, you know, the wallet and the handbag together, so they can perfectly match. Alright guys, so that is all that I picked up from Guess. Seems like just a few items, but trust me, it added up when I did check out. So yes, I hope that you enjoyed this mini haul of my Cyber Monday, Black Friday shopping mini spree. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I want to see more of you guys. Hopefully you want to see more of me. If you do, please subscribe, and I will see you, all my lovely subscribers, in my next one. Bye guys.